So today we're going to be going over chemical bonding. And chemical compounds are formed by the joining of two or more atoms in bonding. And a stable compound occurs when the total energy of the combination has lower energy than the separated atoms. The bond state implies a net attractive force between the atoms, a chemical bond. In the two extreme cases of chemical bond are covalent, qua- covalent bond and ionic bond. And these two bonds have their own characteristics, and a covalent bond is a bond in which one or more pairs of electrons are shared by an atom, and ionic bond is a bond in which one or more electrons from one atom are removed and attached to another atom, resulting in positive and negative ions which attract each other. There are two other types of bonds, including metallic and hydrogen bonding, and the attractive forces between molecules in a liquid can be characterized as van der Waals bonds. So I got an example of an ionic bond here. We can see this is an ionic bond right here. I believe this is positive, that's negative, and then we have covalent bonds here with sodium, or this is ionic, and this is the covalent bond. I think this is a water molecule where you see two hydrogen and one oxygen. And going more into detail about covalent bonds, they involve the sharing of a pair of valence electrons by two atoms in contrast to the transfer of electrons in ionic bonds. And these lead to more stable molecules if they share electrons in a way that creates a noble gas configuration. And here's another interesting diagram to look at is this one down here. This is a comparison of ionic and covalent bonds and materials. Let's just erase this. There we go. Here we're going down to ionic bonds, and it's basically in chemical bonds, atoms either transfer or share their valence electrons. In the extreme case where one or more atoms lose electrons and other atoms gain them in order to produce a noble gas electron configuration, the bond is called an ionic bond. And typical of ionic bonds are those in alkali halides such as sodium chloride. So here we have an ionic bond with sodium chloride, and sodium contributes electron, leaving it with a closed shell. And that's the different types of bonding. Thank you.